Morning everybody, lovely to see some very familiar, regular, happy customers here today.
It's like-minded people from different businesses and different industries coming together that are using the same product to drive their business. I think they get a lot out of listening to the customer case studies and sharing similar experiences and just really gaining what we're doing as a business, but also hearing from other customers that are using the same product.
Having all the customers together gives KCS the opportunity to tell the customers exactly what we're doing and the strategies that we're taking forward, and also importantly to get the feedback from the customer.
We also talk about what we're going to be doing in the next 12 months, which is equally just as important, and they have a massive opportunity to influence at our cost, at KCS's cost, what's going into the K8 product.
Okay, I've been to many conferences. This happens to be a standout conference that I can see. This is my first exposure to the team.
Yeah, this is the first customer day I've been to. It's interesting just to see how the KCS sort of company are growing, really, to be honest. I've been surprised at the rapid growth, especially around the headcount and the amount of people that they're bringing in to service the customers. It must be a real challenge for them, so it's been interesting from that end.
It is our ambition to grow, and I think that at the next customer conference, I think we'll be closer to 400 people. We'll spread in geographies, we'll continue to grow in the UK, but also take it to other territories as well. It's a business that's going forward. It gets stronger and stronger every year, and what has been difficult times, Tanya spoke about that this morning, we've still continued to progress in what's been very challenging times, and we will not take our foot off the gas.
I'm interested in the training side of the business and what they're going to offer in the future, so I'm interested in that. They're normally very professional and they come across, they give a lot of information which you don't normally receive at these types of conferences.
This is probably about my fourth one, I think. Yeah, it's nice to get to know the staff. I think it's nice to know what's happening. It's also nice to meet other users as well. It's a generally good day.
Firstly, it's making sure our customers know what we're up to and what they could be using, so it's a little bit of information that way. Then also getting their feedback. It's really about understanding where they are as a business, how they feel, what they like, what they don't like, and just getting that good dialogue, engagement going around that.
I've never been to Expo before. I met a couple of your colleagues down at ERP Connect in London. Impressed with the day so far. I'm interested in the product itself, so this afternoon's breakout sessions will be key.
It's been really interesting seeing the management structure. I've never been before, so it sort of gives you a good feel of how big it is. It's quite reassuring to know how many people are working on the sort of software that we're using.
Day's going tremendously well. I mean, when I stood up and did my talk at the beginning, I was amazed. You see the sea of faces and a number of customers now that are joining us on these customer days. It's testament to the success of the day.
Well, I'm with the South African operation, so I would say a customer would get a chance to really speak to the senior management, where technology is heading, the interest in making the product better. Excellent, well organised. I think the staff are very friendly, customers seem happy, the presentations are informative.
We've been to this event quite a few times over the years. It's obviously, first of all, it's encouraging to see numbers are up. Good positive signs for the market. It's a good reason for us to actually be here, find out what they're doing. Also, from a readership point of view of the magazine, we can get the chance to interact and engage with some of our readers and find out what their thoughts are about current IT systems and solutions.
You get to understand the company, where it's going, its strategy, and really what the business problems are for the customers, which we'd never have exposure to this amount of people.
I've been talking to them a bit about what they do and how they're managing to make headway in what is, of course, still a rather difficult economic environment. You know, you can't create market share; it's not growing. But if you can do better than your rivals, then that really is a good way forward at this time.
I think today's been magnificent. I think it's our biggest customer event so far, and I keep saying that every year, and hopefully next year will be bigger as well. But it's been a great event.
Lots and lots of new customers joining the KCS community and adding to our business and allowing us to continue to grow and continue to invest, and that's a good thing, so thank you.